I need a dollar, 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 that's what I need. Yeah. Well, I need a dollar, 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 that's what I need. Said I need a dollar, 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 that's what I need. And if I share with you my story, would you share your dollar with me?
Yeah, you see I'm broke, I'm not trying to brag about money, cars, hoes, jewelry, and swag. About to be the first dude with the game in the bag, who still lives home with his mom and his dad. True, taking a cab, I'll save my dough and get to jogging. Yeah, my funds are that low. My car's dented up with some dirty ass rims. My left headlight is duct taped in. You think I'm joking? I wish, but I've also accepted the fact life is a bitch, and I ain't here to complain. Yo, I'm just saying that I'll take your dollar, even if it's change, cause I've given you nothing but free music. When I do release an album you can buy, please do it. Now there's a fan base following this character, about to show the world how to make it in America.
I need a dollar, 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 that's what I need. Well, I need a dollar, 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 that's what I need. Said I need a dollar, 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 that's what I need. And if I share with you my story, would you share your dollar with me?
Yeah, you see it don't matter nationwide, everybody heard of me, cause my wallet still lacks American currency. Dudes be like, yo, you're not broke, son, you're famous, and I'm still unsigned, you ignoramus. Boston's making money like Billy Costigan, while Webby's in CT grinding for Washington's. But it's great, yo, I'm having a great time, and I realize some of these things take time, but I put out more hits than A-Rod, and gotta work a $7 an hour day job. Don't have the money, but I have the skills, and respect is worth more on the real. I'm the real deal, soon enough I'll have my fill and pay off all these late lawyer bills. About to have a meal in the stash, for real it's a fact. Need bills to the max, Evo, bring it back.
I need a dollar, 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 that's what I need.
Get 'em, Mac.
Well, I need a dollar, 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 that's what I need. Said I need a dollar, 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 that's what I need.
Pittsburgh in this bitch.
You my story,
Mac Miller.
you share your dollar with me.
Alright, look, I start my name with a capital M. You missed the start of the show, but you catching the end. MC's up in my cipher, come and show me love. Say, Mac, look at you, kid, you really growing up. Before I ever had a video to look at, a bunch of weed and mixtapes filling up my book bag. Still the feeling of keeping it real, winning a million, needed to feel, put it in stage, living the ways that can me live in a city of steel. There's 100 billion rappers in the world, yeah, I'm one of many. Get this money, better understand me. No plan B, bitches, no panties. Bunch of hoes trying to Facebook fan me. Platinum record, I get a Grammy. California Kush and parties in Miami. Got the game by the titty, she my nanny. Thumbs up, motherfucker. Aha.
I need a dollar, 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 that's what I need. Well, I need a dollar, 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 that's what I need. Said I need a dollar, 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 that's what I need. And if I share with you my